Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how can you start safety mode on YouTube, or how can you restrict some video on YouTube. If you are in home and you have internet connection and your children can access the YouTube, then they can see some inappropriate content on the YouTube, uh, which you don't like uh, if your children see these content. So if you want to if you want that your uh, children can't see these inappropriate videos, so you have to start the safety mode, or you have to start the restricted mode. So if so you can restrict your child, or restrict some person, or restrict some video that not show in on YouTube. So if I like to show you, if I type some like killing videos, something, killing video games. So if you want that these type of videos, or these type of modes, videos not, you don't want that your children can see, so these are inappropriate videos. uh, so if you want to that, you have to on this restricted mode. First, one thing, remember that this restricted mode can only work in the browser that you are currently using. If you use Chrome, then it will uh, on or off here. If you use Firefox or Internet Explorer, so you have to again start or stop the restricted mode there. So if I want that these video are inappropriate, so I have to start the restricted mode. So you can see here restricted mode. In previous, the YouTube name this button is safety mode. Nowadays this button name is restricted mode. So restricted mode hides video and you can read here, restricted mode videos that may contain inappropriate content flagged by user and other signals. So if you flagged, or if you tell YouTube that these video are inappropriate, then content flagged by, then no filter is 100% accurate. So this is also true that YouTube provide all full support to restrict some video, but no filter is 100%. So some type of video may be uh, uh, your children or some person can see, or some inappropriate video you can see, but 70 to 80% video were restrict. So but it should help you avoid most inappropriate, and no filter is 100% accurate, but it should help you avoid most inappropriate content. Most inappropriate content, those are on YouTube, they can avoid. So your restrict mode setting will apply to this browser only. Previously I told you that this work on the particular browser you can use. So if you have to start restrict mode on different browser, so you have to click on restrict mode on this on that browser. So if I click on here, I just type the keyword killer video games. If I on this, so there is option available, restrict mode lock, prevent other from changing the restrict mode setting. If you provide the password, if you access your YouTube through your account, so if you provide the password, then nobody able, or in your family member, or in your friends, or in your office, nobody can able to change the restrict mode, or somebody want to off the restrict mode. So if you provide the password, then nobody can able to change the restrict mode. So if you want to on this browser, then you have to provide the username and password. So I am going to, so I am the owner of this channel, so I am going to click on save. After this, if I enter killing video game, you can see major inappropriate content, like you watched earlier that some major inappropriate content showing here, but after starting the restricted mode, after on starting the restricted mode, most inappropriate content are restricted by the YouTube. So you can see here some result have been removed because restricted mode is enabled. Okay, you can see here last hour video duration, like some type of filtration processing. So some result have been removed because restrict mode is enabled. There is a message occurred. So you can use this in your office or school or in your home. So these are the safety modes or restriction mode that can help you to prevent protect your family or children to these inappropriate content. If you want to remove it, then you have to, if someone want to remove it, then they want your username password for this browser, then they can open or remove the restricted mode. So they cannot provide full safety, but it ensures that if initial level safety, it ensure that. So you can use it according to your situation. So thank you friends. So in this video we learn about how to start restrict mode or safety mode on the YouTube. Thank you friends.